Here's how you can easily tick a checkbox with an X or a checkmark in a PDF document. I'll show you how to do this in both Canva and Adobe Acrobat, depending on what you want to use. Let's start with Canva. Go to canva.com. On the home page, press this Upload button here. Now you're going to press Upload and select your PDF file. Press the View button that shows up, which takes us to our PDF. Go to the page in the document where your checkbox is. Now press Elements on the left-hand side. In the search bar, we can search for an X or a checkmark, depending on what you want to fill the checkbox with. I'll go with the X here. Choose one of the graphics that doesn't have a crown icon in the corner, as those are not free to use. Once I press the X I want, it will put it onto the page. Zoom in so you can see the page clearly. Now move the X to the checkbox and resize it so it fits in there perfectly. You can do the exact same thing with a checkmark from Elements. Now that we're done, press File, then Download. We'll need to change the file type here to PDF Standard. If you're going to print the document, then pick PDF Print instead, and then press Download. And we now open our updated PDF in the browser and see the checkboxes are filled in. Now let's do this in Adobe Acrobat. Open the PDF file in Acrobat. On the Tools panel on the side, press Fill and Sign. This will open a set of tools at the top here, and we see the X and the checkmark. Click on the shape you want, and now go over the checkbox and press it on top of it. Resize the checkmark so that it fits perfectly in the checkbox. Now we can do the same thing with the X. Once you're done, go to the file, then Save As, and save the version of the PDF with the checkboxes filled in. And here's what this completed version looks like when we open the PDF.